Hello Year 12 and welcome to our next video here for graphs and equations. We're looking at combinations of transformations here. We've done some transformations before now. Translations, side to side, up and down, and dilations, stretching things horizontally or vertically. Now, when I combine these things together, if I have one vertical and one horizontal, then the order in which I make that transformation is unimportant. However, if I'm making two horizontal or two vertical, so for example, a horizontal dilation and a horizontal translation, the order in which I apply those transformations will affect the final result. There's an example here, and we'll see how this works. So, we have a function here, and I'm making a vertical dilation of 1/2. So vertical y, replace the y with 2y. So I'm going to say, if my pen works, replace y with 2y. So I'm going to have 2y equals x squared plus 4. Okay. Now I need to translate it down 3 units, so I replace y with y plus 3. I'm going to get 2 y plus 3. Equals x squared plus 4. If I rearrange this, I'm going to get y plus 3 equals half x squared plus 2, right, halving everything. Subtracting 3, I get y equals half x squared minus 1. Okay. Now, if I do it the other way around, then if I, first of all, translate it down 3 units, I replace the y with y plus 3. Y plus 3 equals x squared plus 4. And now I'm going to dilate it by a factor of half. I replace the y with 2y. Now you get 2y plus 3. Right, it's not replace the y plus 3, it's replace y with 2y equals x squared plus 4. And if I rearrange this to make it look a bit more familiar, over 2y equals x squared plus 1, and y equals half x squared, it's fine, plus a half. Okay, so you can see they are fairly different. Okay, that they have a different y-intercept. Okay, depending on the order, because they're both vertical. Rightio. Be careful when you do these things, keep an eye on them. If they're both horizontal or both vertical, the order in which you apply those transformations change, but keep in mind, a translation, we replace x or y with x minus the translation, or y minus the translation, and a dilation, replace our x or y with y over our dilation factor, or x over our dilation factor. Hope that's some help. If you've got any questions, let me know.